Meet Erin, a teacher, a dreamer, and someone who never thought she could own a home on her salary, until she discovered the magic of tiny living. This is more than just a house. It's freedom, it's elegance, and it's proof that you don't need a mansion to live luxuriously. So step inside and let's explore. The moment you enter, you realize this isn't just a tiny house. It's a masterpiece of design. Vaulted ceilings create a sense of grandeur, while massive windows flood the space with natural light, making it feel open and airy. The warm wooden tones and modern furniture bring a cozy yet high-end aesthetic, proving that luxury isn't about size but about smart design. Now let's move into the heart of this home, the kitchen. Unlike many tiny homes, Erin didn't want to compromise on functionality, and it shows. A full-size refrigerator ensures practicality, while sleek countertops provide ample space for cooking. Every cabinet and drawer is designed for maximum efficiency, keeping everything within arm's reach while maintaining a sleek, uncluttered look. Cooking here doesn't feel like a task, it feels like an experience. Heading up the stairs, we find Erin's private retreat, her loft bedroom. The soft linens, warm lighting, and calming colors make this space feel like a cloud-like escape. Despite being compact, built-in shelves offer storage for books and decor, keeping everything minimal yet meaningful. Some might think a loft would feel cramped, but with a skylight that lets the morning sun pour in, this space feels nothing short of dreamy. And then there's the biggest surprise, the bathroom. Tiny homes aren't exactly known for their spa-like features, but Erin's is different. A full-sized rain shower, a sleek vanity with hidden storage, and a smart LED mirror make this space feel luxurious. Every detail has been carefully chosen to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. For Erin, this tiny home isn't just a place to live. It's a life she never thought was possible. And now we want to hear from you. Could you see yourself living in a tiny home like this? What's your favorite part? The cozy loft, the sleek kitchen, or the overall smart design? Let us know in the comments. And if you love luxury tiny homes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more dream home tours.